Hello guys, my name is Mr. Atul Thavre, Assistant Professor, Master of Computer Application, TGPCAT, Nagpur. Means Tusiraji Gaikwad Patil, College of Engineering and Technology, Department of Mastering Computer Application, MCA second year for third semester. Our subject is a data mining. So in this subject, we are now discussing about the introduction to a data mining. So we know that what is a data mining. The concept is evolved from data science. We know that day by day we are now using internet devices. So for we are now for that internet devices, each data is stored in a particular place. Okay, so need for storing a particular data, there is a need a database. We are now using different types of social media, that is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. All these are data are now storing in particular place, that is in database. Okay, so that data is stored in a particular server, or or this server is uh, data is now maintained on this server. Data is now maintained, and for that this concept is evolved is a cloud computing, right? So because of this increasing the data, there is a concept that is data science, and from this data science one another concept is evolved, that is name is a data mining. So data mining is a concept in which we are now fetching a data, accessing a data from huge amount of a data. So this data is in a within a second we can access by firing some command. So for using data for different purposes such as business, socials and education purpose, we are need to data mining concept. So we must know the concept of data mining concept for our better knowledge. So let's we discuss about introduction to a data mining. That is, we are now discuss about what is the data mining, why we need this in our life. So let's see. So data mining isn't a new invention that come with the digital age. Means data mining concept is not coming from today or yesterday. It's come from few years ago when data is was increased at that time. So the concept has been around for over a century. What came into a greater public focus in the 1930s. So at that time, data was increasing day by day. In today's life, there's a huge amount of data because we are now using different type of social media, emails, and all this, because we are now using internet, in a very huge amount. So the huge amount of data is stored. So for this data, we need to handle this data. Okay, so if data is not handled correctly or data is not secure, so there is a we faces a different problem for that. So data security is also important. For that, data mining concept is evolved. So one of the first instance of a data mining occurred in 1936. 1936, from these scientists is now thinking about this way. When Alan Turing introduced the idea of the universal machine that could perform a computation similar to those of the modern day computer. At that time, scientist Alan Turing, who specially researched an universal machine, this scientist now developed a Turing machine that calculate very complicated calculations. So we come a long way since then. So business are now harassing data mining and machine learning to improve everything from their sales process to interpreting financial for investment purpose. So day by day, different businesses as increases. So if business is increases, so there this data of a business is now increases. So business need to store the data in specific space or in a secure way, and it need to access this data easily. So because if businesses is developed in different area, so there is a need to store their data securely, because any business is totally depend on their old data or their data. So data is of vital importance in their business. So interpreting financial for investment purpose, because they are now conclude something from previous data. As a result, data scientists have become a vital to organizations all over the world as companies seek to achieve bigger goals with data science than ever before. So as a result, data science have become vital to an organization. They are develop a particular type of particular type of method to store the business data for better business result. So all over the world there is a bigger goal with the data science than ever before. So in data science they need to store their data in a good way, or needs to store access their data in a particular way, that is in a secure way. For that purpose, data mining concept is improved. So data mining is the process of analyzing massive volume of the data to discover a business intelligence that help company solve problem, mitigate risks, and realize a new opportunity. So what is the definition of a data mining? Guys, so data mining is the process of analyzing massive value of a data to discover a business intelligence. So that helps company to solve problem, mitigate risks, and researching new opportunities. So data mining is a particular type of process. They are now using for analyzing a particular type of huge amount of a data. That is, they analyze a data and find a particular conclusion. That is, we are now using bit intelligence that helps company to solve a critical problem, that is marketing problem, and they decide some strategy related to business and mitigate risks, means they minimize some risks, the facing of some risks, and research a new opportunity, and they develop a new way to facing a different types of problem in a business. For that purpose, data mining is important. So the branch of data science derived its name from the similarity between the searching for valuable information in a large database and mining a mountain for array. So this is the data mining is the branch of a data science that derive its name from the similarity between searching for valuable information in a large database. So there is a need to mm, discover specific information from huge amount of data. For that purpose, data mining concept is important. Both the process requires sifting through tremendous amount of material to find hidden value. So both process require sifting through tremendous amount of material to find hidden value. So for that purpose, data mining is used. Data mining can answer business questions that traditionally were too time consuming to resolve manually. So data mining can answer different type of business questions that traditionally is impossible to find particular problem, because they stored business data in a well format. If any conclusions regarding business is want, then they find particular data, they analyze particular data and take a decision related to that particular business, and they decided some strategies related to business. So data mining concept is important in to resolve different types of problem, or some solve some business question. Before that, all these problems are solved based on manual method. Using a range of statistical techniques to analyze the data in a different way, user can identify pattern, trend, and relationship they might otherwise miss. So, using a different type of statistical techniques on a previous data, they analyze the data in a different way. So, user can identify different types of patterns of a data, trends of a data, relationship they might otherwise miss. So, all these are data they are observed and find a particular solution. They can apply this finding to predict what is likely to happen in the future and take action to influence the business outcome. So they can apply different types of method to face a problem in the future and take a particular decision for their business to take a good decision, that is good business outcome. Okay, so data mining is used in many areas of a business and research and in computer science, so including sales and marketing, product development, healthcare, and educations, and for research purpose. So this is the main use of the data mining. When used correctly, data mining can provide profound advantages over computer by enabling you to learn more about the customer, develop an effective marketing strategy, increase the revenue, and then decrease cost. So data mining is used correctly. Data mining is used in a different area can provide a profound advantage. There is a different types of advantages of a data mining or a manual method or competitors. They find a huge type of a data and fetches a particular type of data that can use for business conclusion, enabling you to learn more about customers. So develop effective marketing strategy for their business, increase their revenue, miss business revenue, and decrease cost for business that are important for any business. So this is a concept of data mining. This concept of data mining is now used in a different types of our daily life. So that concept is now today in all over the world. This is the concept of data mining, guys. So guys, thanks for listening my lecture. So we will learn about data mining in next lecture. Thanks for listening, guys. Thank you.